Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to update the licenses on the license server. So I got the license file downloaded from Citrix. So what I did was I went to manage licenses and you see it here, the product name and the product Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops Evaluation 90 days. So just click on it and it would ask you to download the license file. So it gives an option, so you can just select it and download the license file, which I have done. Okay, so this is a license file which is downloaded right now, and I'm going to use this license file to update the license server. So I'll just logged into my license server. Okay, so this is my license server and I am trying to log in. This should take a minute or two. All right, so I logged into my license server. Let me click on install licenses straight away. So it gives an option to upload the license file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the license file that I have downloaded from Citrix. Okay, I'll go to downloads and I'll try to upload the license file that I have downloaded, and yeah, it's uploaded successfully. I will import it now and see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to click import. It says uploading and rereading the file. All right, it is showing something. So it seems like the licenses have installed successfully. So it shows these details. Okay, so today is 4th of September and it is extended till 3rd of December 2021. So we will check the other one as well. So this is Citrix Virtual Desktop Standard one. It is extended for the next 3 months. So this is the process to install the licenses on the license server. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you very much.